We go in this world. Once we identify ourselves as Jamaicans, everybody get crazy. They all want to hear us chat some patois like Miss Lou.
Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, thank you all for joining the channel. So right now I am in the success area in Mountainside, St. Elizabeth. So take a tour with me. Enjoy the ride with True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So I'm gonna make a left turn. If I make the right turn, it will take us back to Watchwell, Newell, also to Treasure Beach. So I will go left, keeping towards Mountainside, a small square area. So keep on watching, guys. So big up on yourself, anyone there, yard or abroad. Anybody who watch right now, just like up the channel. Yeah man, because if you like up the channel, that's what YouTube like to see, is get to share to more persons. Yeah man, so just give us some likes. Yeah man, and thank you all for that. One love and one heart, you know. So when you're in the success area, it's roughly about 23 minutes drive to Santa Cruz or Black River. So I'm very close to the Mountainside Primary School. So the direction that I'm heading is north. Yeah man, you know, so when at Christmas time, you know, a lot of persons, a lot of road work are going, so the people them are clean up the road. So on your left, you have the Mountainside Primary School. Always remember to obey the road code. Yeah, man, they must stop. Welcome to Mountainside. This road can take you all to Burn Southern and Knoxwood. Yeah man, so no Jamaican tour guide this, you know. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Yeah man, I saw them do it in the Mountainside area, you know, say a lot of rider in the area. So big up with all of the riders them. Big up Sweet Chopic's bar. Yeah man, big up yourself, Sweet. So need to come and support Sweet, nice sports bar in Mountainside, St. Elizabeth. So right now I am in the Mountainside. So the Mountainside gas station on your right and also the post office on your left. So if you make the right turn, could take you all to Lacovia, Santa Cruz. And keep left will take us to Black River, can take you all to Savlamar. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, we have some nice roads. So normally this road will take us to the Black River Hospital. So yeah, man, so they can still get some good road from Mountainside area to go to the Black River side. So when you're in this area, yeah man, you get a nice view up in the Monroe, Malvern side. Nice view from there. So when driving them places at night time, it's gonna be a lonely area. So you have to be very careful on the road. So I'm gonna pull over, see a big unit coming, so I'm gonna make him pass. Yeah man, so if you not take them road at night time, it's a very lonely area. So a lot of persons can get punctured in them area, so it's gonna be very hard some of the time to get some assistance. Yeah man, so all of my fans them are saying when I travel them area, you can link up Fire Reid if you run any difficulties. So you can link up Fire Reid for them WhatsApp so you can give them some assistance in the St. Elizabeth area around for the Mountainside here. Yeah, because no one knows what's gonna take place when you're on the road. You can hit a pothole and you can chop a tire. A lot of stray animals always on this side of always on this side. A lot of stray animals, so be careful of them, look out for them. A lot of cows. Yeah man, so if you don't want to know Jamaica, just tune into the channel. A lot of persons afraid to travel some areas in Jamaica, but Jamaica still nice. Yeah man, I just start here. If you just know Jamaica road code, I would say it's not every place safe in Jamaica, only if you're trouble people. But Jamaica still nice to people. If I want to do the right thing, you can go anywhere in Jamaica. Yeah, so the two sides of the road covered with logwood. Yeah man, you know, say a logwood make a lot of wire fencing posts. Remember back in the days, a lot of rainfall in here and you can't travel them places some of the time because the road kind of flood out. But things and time change and fix the road and good road conditions, so we don't really see no flood come them side here again, you know. Big up the contractor. Yeah man, we fix the road here. You do a good job. Big up yourself when you're there. So all the persons them coming from Savlamar area, White House, Brompton, them place if you don't go to Treasure Beach. When you just drive that side there, when you get some good road, if you go to Treasure Beach area. So I'm right at the entrance that can take you all to Barber Hall, Watchwell, Newell, and also can take you all to Treasure Beach. So if you're coming from Black River side, if you want to make the right turn at this area right here at the bus stop, you all can make it to go to Treasure Beach. Nice road, same way with paper. And Brucefield, big up Ruby. Anywhere you're there, yard or abroad, big up yourself, one lover, one heart. So this part of the road can have like a bad condition going towards Vineyard and also Arlington, yeah man. So have a look at bumpy ride right now, so enjoy it. As you can see on the road, caution, drive carefully, look out for stray animals, yeah man. So if you look out for them thing there. So we're in the Fillerswood area. Yeah man, so you have to watch out for the other road users, you know. Yeah man, them big unit here, and have to be careful, use up no signal. Yeah man, so you can stop at the jelly lady and get to the jelly. Wash off on the heart, my paper. No place nice like yard, you know. Can't forget them road there none at all. Travel them road there all the while, you know. Thanks for taking the road trip with the Fire Reid. So we're now in the Fillerswood area. man, so when you come to St. Elizabeth, a lot of different places you can go. Yeah man, you can go up on the Treasure Beach side, you can go Lashings, you can go Jakes, you can go Jack Sprat, 77 West, a lot of nice Airbnb in that area. Yeah man, so next right turn would be Vineyard District. Yeah man, so the right turn where I come up will take you out to Vineyard. Yeah man, so remember, so when you go to the Black River area, you need to check out Pelican Bar, Sandbar, Las Vegas Cafe, and take a beautiful tour on the safari. Yeah man, so you need to check out them area on my paper. So going to that area, this is the scenery you will see going towards from Mountainside to Black River. This is what you will encounter with a lot of trees on the two sides of the roads. So Jamaica land we love. Beautiful place man, beautiful place. A lot of people overseas want to come home, and just because of the travel restriction and the pandemic, hopefully soon everyone can get to come home and get to enjoy the sweet Jamaica again, you know. Yeah man, so remember to like up the video, so YouTube loves to see the likes so you can share to more people around the world. Because a lot of persons want to know how Jamaica stays same way. Yeah man, so just like up the video free of cost. Just press the boop and that's it. So the right turn is coming up. That will take you to the Slipe area, can take you right back to Lacovia, Santa Cruz if you make a right turn. Man, them places them supposed to call name. Going to Market Street ahead. Out up on Crane Road. Yeah man, you know, so on Crane Road a lot of persons try to catch some blackfish on the Crane Road area. Very close to Parati. Yeah man, so on your left here, so you see them catch all them blackfish, you know. So if you make a left turn, it will take you all to Parati. So coming up on your left, you have the Sandbar Restaurant on Crane Road. Yeah man, so you can get to the steamed fish. Anything you want for the crane road there, so. On your left, you have the Port of Call Hotel. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah, man, so you can have a breakfast, lunch, and dinner right here. And also have AC rooms. On your left, you have the Las Vegas Cafe. So if you don't want to go do no wedding there, keep a party, eat the steamed fish same way, that's the place to go at Las Vegas Cafe. Yeah, man. So we are heading towards Claggies on the beach. Yeah, you know, say Claggies on the beach, and also them place are the original place from long time. Claggies on the beach. A lot of persons them can't forget that place, you know, because they know about them time there. Claggies on the beach give them steamed fish and okra with the crackers. On your left, you have Claggies on the beach. Welcome to Black River, guys. Welcome to Black River. You don't know, say Black River the first place to have a car and electricity. So welcome to the beautiful town of Black River. So let's cross the bridge together. Yeah, man, so enjoy the road trip with Fire Reid. I see in a Black River town, you know, say Sunrise Wholesale and Bakery. Here so you can get the best cocoa bread. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Your tour guide take you to many different places in Jamaica. So I'm gonna make a right turn, guys, going on to North Street. So I'm going right across Hendricks Wharf. Sorry about that. So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.